Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am making something super delicious, tandoori chicken barbecue with creamy tomato gravy and cheesy mashed potatoes. Trust me, this combination is going to blow your mind. So let's get started. First, we need to marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, add some yogurt, a few spoons of tandoori chicken spices. You can easily find these at any Indian grocery store, or you can grab them on Amazon. And hey, if you need the link, just comment below. I'll share it with you. Now add a bit of oil and mix everything together into a smooth paste. Once it's all mixed, coat the chicken pieces one by one. Make sure they're fully covered with the marinade. Now that our chicken is ready, cover it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours so it can absorb all those amazing flavors. While the chicken is marinating, let's move on to the potatoes. Place a few whole potatoes in the oven and bake them until soft. We'll use these later for our cheesy mashed potatoes. Now, let's make the tomato gravy. Start by chopping some onions. In a hot pan, add some oil, and once it's warm, toss the chopped onions. Then add tomatoes and cook them for about 10 minutes until they start to soften. Next, add garlic paste and ginger paste and fry everything for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's spice time. Add red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder for a beautiful color, a pinch of turmeric and some salt. Mix it all well and cook for about 2 more minutes. Then pour in some water and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and everything blends nicely. Once done, add a few green chilies, turn off the heat, and let it cool down a bit. To speed that up, drop in a few ice cubes. Now transfer the mixture into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Pour it back into the pan and add whole milk or cream, whichever you prefer. Simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes until the gravy thickens beautifully. And that's it. Our rich, flavorful gravy is ready. By now, your potatoes should be baked. Take them out, let them cool a bit, peel them, and mash them well. Now add a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, some black pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Mix everything together, and there you go. Your cheesy mashed potatoes are ready. Now, let's go back to our marinated chicken. Place the pieces on a baking tray and bake them for about 30 minutes. Halfway through, take them out, flip each piece so both sides cook evenly, spray a bit of oil, and bake again for another 15 minutes. After that, your tandoori chicken barbecue is ready, juicy, smoky, and full of flavor. Now for the best part, plating. On a plate, add scoops of cheesy mashed potato, place your tandoori chicken on side, and then pour that rich, creamy tomato gravy over it. Look at that. It smells amazing and tastes even better. So that's it, friends. Our tandoori chicken barbecue with tomato gravy and cheesy mashed potato is ready to serve. Try this recipe at home. I promise you're going to love it. If you do, let me know in the comments below how it turned out. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them there too. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!